Hey guys, this is Anthony Morganti. I am MrPhotographer.com. My sincere apologies. I am very late with this month's Lightroom presets, Lightroom profiles, and LUT files. I finally did get them done, and I'm going to introduce them to you in this video. This month we have a warm theme. You may remember that last month's presets, profiles, and LUTs had a cool theme. Those of you not familiar with what I'm doing is once a month, at the beginning of the month, I create a unique set of 10 Lightroom presets, 10 Lightroom profiles, and 10 LUT files. The LUT files will work in any application that accepts a 3D.cube LUT file. That includes Photoshop, Affinity Photo, Luminar, On1 Photo RAW, Exposure X4 and X5, and really anything that will accept a 3D.cube LUT file. These LUT files will work. I sell them for the month, donation with a minimum donation of $2, a recommended donation of $10. There'll be links for everything in the description below this video. You just click on it. It will automatically add the product to your shopping cart, and then you could change the price of the product in the shopping cart to the amount you want to donate. You could go as low as $2 and as high as you could afford. Now, this month's package, because it's late, I left last month's package on sale until today. This month's package, now when it goes live, last month's package will be gone forever. This month's package will go until I come up with next month's package, which hopefully will be around the first of the month. Next month, I'm planning a black and white series. So black and white, LUTs, profiles, and presets. Now I'm just going to show you how to install the presets and the profiles in Lightroom and give you an idea of what they look like. We'll start with the presets. I have Lightroom open. I'm in the Develop module. And if you look over on the left-hand panel, you'll see the Presets tab. There's a little plus sign. Click on that and go down to Import Presets. Now, when you download the presets from me, they'll be in a zipped file. Do not unzip them. Lightroom will unzip them automatically when you install them. I have them on my desktop, and you can see they're right there, Morganti Presets, January 2020. I'll click on those, and I'll click Import. And when I do that, you'll see they're automatically imported. They're over here, Lightroom Presets, January 2020, and they're in this group with all the monthly presets that I have. Now I'll hover on each one so you get an idea what it looks like. We'll start out with number 1. There's number 2. There's number 3. There's number 4. There's number 5. There's number 6. There's number 7. There's number 8. There's number 9. And there is number 10. So those are the 10 Lightroom presets for this month. They have a theme of warmth. Now for the profiles. To install those, we're going to go to the profile browser. It's found in the Basic tab. We're going to open that up, then click these 4 little blocks right there, and we'll open up the profile browser. When we do, you'll see this little plus sign over here. We'll click on that, and we're going to import profiles. And again, they'll be zipped. Do not unzip them. Lightroom will unzip them for you. I have them on my desktop right there, and we'll click Import. And when you do, they'll be imported, and they'll stay in the group with all the other profiles from previous months. And you can see they're right there, January 2020. And why don't we try a different image for these? And we'll go to Morganti Profiles, January 2020. And I'll hover on each one so you get an idea what it looks like. There's number 1. There's number 2. There's number 3. There's number 4. There's number 5. There's number 6. There's number 7. There's number 8. There's number 9. And there's number 10. So the 10 presets and the 10 profiles will work in Lightroom version 7.3 on up. I'm currently in this video using Lightroom version, where is it? 9.1. They'll also work in Adobe Camera Raw as well. So if you're a Photoshop user, these presets and profiles will work there as well. And when you install them in Lightroom, they'll automatically show up in Adobe Camera Raw as well. The LUT files, again, will work in all those applications I mentioned, really any application that accepts a 3D LUT file. Every file is unique. I didn't use one to create another, like I didn't use a preset to create the profile and the profile to create the LUT so that they're the same. Everything's different. If some happen to look the same, it's just by accident. I'd like to thank everyone that has been supporting me by purchasing these presets, profiles, and LUT files. Again, it's donation with a minimum donation of $2, recommended donation of $10. When you click on any of the links that are in the description below this video, it will automatically load the product into your shopping cart, and you could change the product price to anything you like. Thank you, everyone that watches my videos. I really do appreciate it. I'll talk to you guys soon.